Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just at the park today. It's actually quite warm and the weather is absolutely lovely, like it's so lush. So I thought let me just come and chill. While I'm here I thought okay, while I was here I had the idea to tell you guys about my multiple streams of income, just because the last video that I did about my career, about my job history and my salaries has actually been helping people with thinking about different employment options. I feel like this video will be just as motivational for you guys. So here is me telling y'all how I make my money. At current, at 23 years old, I've got 4 solid income, like at least 4 solid income when we can bank pan a month time. One being my 9-to-5 job. So as you guys know, I work as a project associate and that's what pay the bills. That's my main job. I do that Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. I am currently a contractual worker, so I work in sections. So like I work on a project for 6 months, then I'll move on, work on another project for 6 months, move on another project for 6 months. So I've been doing this one for some time now and it's been quite challenging, but it's definitely been the right career. It's definitely been a stepping stone to where I need to get to next. My other stream of income is my property, my investment property that I have. At the moment I'm not actually making a profit from it because I have tenants, and I used to make a profit from it when I had an Airbnb. However, that just wasn't feasible with COVID happening and everything in the Caribbean being so unstable. I felt more assured knowing that I can bank on a set amount of money coming in every month from my tenants as opposed to playing the gamble of Airbnb. So I've been doing that now for probably about 6 months. It hasn't been the best experience, I won't lie to you guys, and there's a lot more learning to be done. Like I literally just went into this field blindly and every day something new comes up, every day something new comes to shock me, every day I have a maintenance problem. Like it's just a constant battle. I mean, it's just a constant work in progress. That's how I feel with that. But in terms of money and income, so at the moment it's not an actual active source of income. So it's not like every month I can say alright, and this me I make from the property. No, that is not the case. Instead I'm thinking of actually selling it in about probably 8 years or less, because as you know, every 10 years, like that's usually when properties appreciate, like where it makes sense to actually sell it. But to be completely honest, like I bought the house a year ago and already it's increased in value. So if I was to sell it today, I think I would be making at least $500,000 to a full million. That's Jamaican dollars, and that's equivalent to probably about 4 to about 7,000 pounds. That's what I'd make of as profit if I was to sell it, and it's only been a year, and that's how much it's actually appreciated in value. In the area that the apartment is in, there's a lot of construction work and a lot more development. This one I got down now. Oh, this nice. So in the area that I have the apartment, like there's just a lot of development and a lot of room for growth. So imagine how much money I'm gonna be able to make if I was to sell the property in 10 years. Like it should be a crazy amount of money. So that's what I'm looking forward to doing. If that doesn't work out, I mean before that time frame comes where I can actually have a big sum of money coming into me, the other way that I plan to have it as a stream of income, an active stream of income, because it is an income now, but it's just that the money not coming or you don't want it. The other way that I'm planning to reverting it to an active stream of income is obviously by going back to being an Airbnb host, but all of that takes time and a lot of planning and a lot of, so that will come when the time is right. So that's my that's my investment property done. In terms of property, I really want to have a solid, when I say solid, I mean solid, like I need to have a solid real estate portfolio That's what I think about every day. How I can buy a next house, how I can flip a property, how I can buy a fix up and fix it up and, you know, rent it out, how I can become a developer, just literally everything property wise. That's what I want to do. That's a dream, a goal of mine. It's always been, and I'm currently on the road of success. So it's happening. It's not like saying nah, it's happening. I just, you know, my brain they are so and life they are so. So instead of trying to jump from 0 to 10 to 100, I'm literally doing 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. I learned that from Katie. Big up Katie. I'll put her YouTube channel here. She's literally phenomenal in personal development, in literally just talking out, you know, your mind and stuff. Like she's excellent in that. So subscribe to her channel if you need help. What else is there? What else I make money? Is that tattoo money? Okay, also as you guys know, I recently shared, I think last month, thankfully because of you guys, YouTube is now a stream of income for me. I've been earning from YouTube every month for the past 4 months, and I'm currently loving it. Loving it. I shared my first YouTube paycheck with you guys, and I may share another one, but I'm not sure yet, but I may share another one. So YouTube also acts as a passive income for me because, well, yeah, it acts as a passive income because it's just in the background. Like I don't really use it to budget, to do anything with my life. It literally just comes in because I actually enjoy making content, vlogging, recording and stuff like that. It don't actually feel like work until I time for edit and upload, then it feel like work. But yeah, YouTube is a passive income that I have coming in every month so far. Thank Jesus. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. What actually pays me is when you guys watch the ads. So when the ads come on, just make the ad play out and not clear. Just make the ad play out and yeah, come back to the video, please and thanks. Then another stream of income that I have, the other stream of income that I do have is my supplement brand. It's called BEAUTII. Is my supplement brand, which is called BEAUTII, and at the moment we do stock supplements that helps with increasing your appetite, it helps with balancing your hormones, it helps with just making you being your best self essentially. And we currently stock the superfood called macaroot. So if you're someone that struggles with weight gain or someone that struggles with your mood or hormones, fertility, like macaroot is actually like top tier in those fields. The light really I got on. I'm not all this and don't talk to me, so yes. I'd be a shadow. The light now going on, just a shadow them because of the tree. So yeah, I was going to say yeah, if you struggle with gaining weight, if you struggle with having an appetite all the time, I struggle with that. When I'm really stressed, I can't eat. If my life too, I go out with so much things, I just can't eat. You understand? Like my mouth just lock up. I don't want to eat, I can't eat, I don't feel for food, like it's weird. So if you're one of those persons, then definitely support me. You can shop at bodyofficial.co.uk or bodyofficial.com. We are planning to expand into fitness and activewear as well. I really want to add like leisure, like active leisure wear. So like you could wear it to, you could just wear like a gym outfit when I look too gymmy out. Like you can wear it to the supermarket, you can wear it to doing errands, stuff like that. So I'll be adding those to the website. I'll also be adding gym equipment, so stuff that are quite easy to use, yoga mats, water bottles. Like literally I want it to be like an online fitness store, and also an online fitness store that literally specializes in weight gain. Like that's my long-term goal for it. But obviously 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, okay, I go 0 to 100. So I said I make the money. Body not do so bad, me not lie to you. It could have done much better. Could have done much better if I did active on Instagram and all of the social media network them. But right now I just don't have the mental capacity for stay active on everything. I'm showing them birthday. Yeah, like right now I just not have the mental capacity for stay active by everything, yeah man. I just do what I can do. But with body, like everything will take time. Like everything will take time. It's gonna be one of the it is one of the best weight gaining supplements. Like I've used it and I've literally gained so much weight. I'm gonna put up that Like, I've used it when I was sampling the product, and I was literally blown away as to how good it worked. And each time somebody order, I'm like, oh gosh, actually order. But it's like, no, like, I spent so much money on this brand, I spent so much time. Like, this is literally an extension of me, an extension of my struggle with gaining and maintaining weight, and also a solution for us skinny girls that's just always struggling with like eating. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, I'm still get used to the imposter syndrome with that, but as somebody out hustling, I make the look of money right now. I have another business, but it's not a business yet because it's more like a hustle. So this is another stream of income, but again, it's not active income. It's not something I can bank on every month. This is passive in the background as and when I get the business. Where basically, say somebody have a business idea. So for instance, you want to start a clothing business, either back home or wherever in the world, it don't matter where you are. But say you want to start a clothing business and you don't know where to start, you don't know what to do, you don't have any vendors in mind, you don't have any suppliers, you don't know how the logistics works, you don't know how shipping works. You would come to me. How feel me feels like so. You would come to me and focus. Yeah, so you would come to me, obviously explain the situation, and I will be able to provide your vendors, your suppliers, and also just help you fill in the gaps as to where you're currently lacking. So that business is almost like a business consulting business with vendors. Like, I sell the actual vendor list. I initially trialed this last year June, and I started selling about probably at least 2 vendor lists a month, or 2 vendor lists a month. Yeah, that's a month or a week. Yeah, I started selling it like last year June, and I trialed it, and I ended up selling like at least 2 to 4 vendor lists a month, and that's roughly 50 to at least 250 pounds a month. So it's a nice little money you can look forward to, you understand? So because that has been working in the background now, I'm thinking of bringing it to the forefront, also on YouTube as well. So like behind the scenes, like I'm literally doing so much. I'm doing so much behind the scenes to just make as much money as I can. This would do by doing the least work that I can do, if that makes sense. Like so yeah, that business I'm going to bring to the forefront. I want to provide vendor lists for you guys, because I know that a lot of you guys have business ideas. You have everything that you need, but you just don't have reliable, trustworthy vendors. And I've spent so much time over the years getting scammed, getting ripped off, getting the runaround, literally getting everything, that now I literally know who the right people are, who the right shipping companies are to use, what's reliable, what's not. I know pricing, I know suppliers, I know how they work. I know the suppliers' holidays, like China, you know, they have New Year's, and literally the whole industry normally mash up when they have New Year. So I'm been through it, you see me? So when I sell things too now, it's not because I read about it, like I literally go through the struggle, come through the struggle, and then I provide you with the information and the things them. So look out for those vendor lists. Look out for those vendor lists, because it's coming very soon, very soon. So as some look, make the money, people, as some make the look of money, as some day I do, you understand? But like, oh, the bird, you want to see how low it did I fly? Me eat the London pigeon, them took her, them just fly, like them want to fly lick you down. Them don't have no manners over here. Them not afraid of people, you know? Them don't afraid of people. London pigeon afraid of nobody. So yeah, what me that say to now? Yeah, I was gonna say, just start up the video now, we don't talk. But I said to you, say like my goal in life is to make not even the most money, but is to literally have a positive impact on people's life while making enough money, or enough wealth rather, not even money but wealth, actual wealth, making wealth for myself, for my generations to come, by doing the least. Like, I don't want to work. Like, as much as I want to see me as a hard worker, I don't want to have to be a hard worker. I don't want to have to do it. I really don't. I like, I don't like work, you know. I don't like work, love. I don't like work. So like all of these stuff that I'm doing now is literally so that future me don't have to work as hard, as I am working right now. Like, I just want to work smart but not hard. I hate manual labor. I hate being stressed out. I just want a very simple, peaceful, high quality life. Like high quality, like eat high quality food, go on vacations as and when you feel like you not even have a time frame on it. You just wake up and just live authentically, you know, like just worship God, have your solid group of friends, your solid support system. Like, that's the life what me I try to create for myself. Well, that I am creating. Like, I'm literally creating my life. That's the thing. I'm not waiting for life to be handed to me. I'm not waiting for opportunities. I literally just create my own opportunities. I stay in my lane and I do the damn thing. So that's me waffling now. I'm gonna go. I might drink one cider or something like that. I'm gonna have a nice little drink now and then just hold a little vibe. I say people meet one little man at the park. I'm gonna put it in camera to record him. And the beer things the man are going with. It sound like them are come back now, so. Bye guys, thank you. Like, comment, share, subscribe.